Okay, here's just another quick run through of what we got going on here. This Lasonic unit with the mod that I built in, the battery voltage readout and level indicator. You can see it's running off batteries here. There's the AC cord, it's not currently plugged into the wall. And here is the Bluetooth switch for the installment. I've changed the LED to blue because blue is fitting for Bluetooth. So now we have the blue illumination and the flashing blue at the front. And that's just connected to the phone. As you can see, the batteries have dropped because it's not currently plugged into the wall and the batteries do need charging. If I plug this into the wall, into the mains, and change over from AC to DC, you'll see the battery level jump because it's no longer on, powered by batteries. So if I switch that back over, it'll go back down again. As said before, it works in real time. So let's switch back over to AC. I'll have to put these batteries on charge for a few hours. So just another quick run through with this Bluetooth feature. Let's get the AC cord out from under there. Okay. Yeah, there you have it. Works pretty well.